Hey, how you doing? I'm working on a Mazda Protege 5 2002. Okay, now this timing belt has been previously checked by another technician. I don't think he actually even looked at it. Maybe he charged him for looking at it, but it don't look to me like anybody looked at this thing. Anyway, take a look. This belt is so loose, like I did not loosen the tensioner on this. Like, look at the slack that I got in this. I could take this belt off without doing it. It is a wonder that this didn't fall off and that it hasn't bent all the bells. You know, go to an Auto Pro. Get an actual technician to look at your vehicle. Because if you get somebody looking at your car and letting stuff go like this, it is going to cost you a pile of money.